Hi guys, just tidying up the kitchen. We had a chicken breast in here. It's one of those ones you cook in the tray, buy it in the supermarket. I was just about to put this out for recycling because it's aluminium. Before I do that, I'll make a quick rubber band powered car. So all I'm going to do is poke a couple of holes at either end for the axles to go through. Should be able to use barbecue skewers, and to save a bit of time I'll pinch the wheels off of this car, but I'll put a link in the video description to where I make these wheels and we'll see if it works. So what we do need to do is try and make sure that the wheels are parallel front to back, or it'll be going off at an angle. Right, I'll use the front edge as the reference point. Right, is that flat this time? That's better. Right, I've got a map pin. I want that to go through there. Go through there. Might need to open that up a bit later, make sure it's a good loose fit, because that's much too tight. But that means we should be able to measure up here . It's on 16 there. We also want a hole at this end that we can attach the rubber band. Right, all those holes need to be made a bit bigger so that the barbecue skewer spins freely. I'll get a pencil. That's better. Right, I'll pinch the wheels off here for now, just to make it a quick conversion. Right, there might be a problem with where I've put that hole for the rubber band. Because it might catch on the front axle. I'm going to put a hole at the bottom instead. Okay, back axle. Make sure you've got a gap so the wheels don't rub against the side. You need a couple of rubber bands, I think. Might need 3. Just push it through that hole. Through that hole. Push the rubber band through itself. There we are. So you can wrap it round itself, that'll hold it in place. I think 3 rubber bands is a bit too many actually, it's a bit loose on there. I might reduce that to just 2. Right, I've reduced it to just 2 rubber bands. Over the back axle. Wrap it round so it's holding itself. Wind it up. And let it go. Oh, wheel spin. That's because it's too light. We could add weight, or we can put something on the back axle, on the back wheel, to give it more grip. Right, so we need to stop the back wheel spinning. I've got an old rubber glove here that's falling apart, so ideal for cutting some strips to go round the back wheels. There we go. So that's our tyres for our back wheels. That worked fine. Go back the other way. I'll chase it this time with the camera. Excellent. Job done. Summary time. What have we got? We've got an aluminium tray that our chicken dinner came in. We've got 2 barbecue skewers, 4 CDs, 8 plastic bottle tops. The bottle tops are just held onto the CDs with sticky tape. And I've pushed a hole through the middle. I made sure we had a bit of a gap there so the wheels don't rub against the bodywork. I made the holes in the aluminium using a map pin and then opened it out using the barbecue skewer and then a pencil to make sure they're nice free running. I also pushed a hole, 2 holes through so that we could loop the rubber band through, so that holds it in place. You don't attach the rubber band to the front axle. If you do that, the front axle can't turn. The back axle turns, but the front one can't turn because the rubber band's holding it still. And then the other thing we did was, because it's so lightweight, the back wheels were spinning instead of going forwards. So I cut some strips off the back of these rubber gloves, stretched them over the CDs, and now we've got rubber tyres. And that's it. Job done.